This is so psychologically strange to be doing this. Wow. Yes. I've never done this before in my whole life.
Why does it feel strange?
Oh gosh. It feels like literal manifestation, you know? Because, you know, manifestation is like, you know, it has to do with energy waves and particles and thoughts. And this is literally like, there's a photo. If you do the work, you will have a result. It feels like a guarantee when nothing in life is a guarantee. That goes against my worldview where I'm like, nothing in this world is guaranteed. But it feels like if I just keep doing this puzzle, I'ma solve it, and it seems like a guarantee. And it feels very strange for that to be true.
Okay, I get that. I get that. I've never thought about it that way, but yeah, I get that.
Oh, it's so interesting. But I think you've also done more puzzles in your life. This is my first puzzle ever, so these are my first time thinking these thoughts. So you're gonna make yourself your rye bread situation.
Yeah. Here's some Adobe.
How are you gonna prepare your egg?
I am going to fry it.
I saw this article that I did not click on. I think they're just sending it to me because they think because I'm exercising that I'm eating right too. Because you know, Google be listening to what I say and watching my So they've been sending me all of this fitness related. It's so funny how it changes from day to day. All of my news stories are all about fitness now. They're like, hey girl, here's a squat. Literally was one about knee pain. I'm like, please stop listening to me talk about my knee pain, okay? It's not for you, all right? Don't sell me anything about it. And they had a thing that was about like all the different ways you could cook eggs. And I was like, this isn't the content I need, Google. Do better on the algorithm.
Ooh, there was like a big fight at the dog park. It's just two big dogs. First of all, let's cheer.
I like how, yes.
Friends.
Yeah, it's a movie. It's a movie. It's a whole
Yes. You need to come surfing with me, by the way.
Okay. I feel like I talked to you once, and I was like, I can't swim. And you're like, that's fine.
Yeah,
I was
no,
like, I don't know.
Honestly, it's fun. So there's El Porto, which is a beach I went to on Saturday. I got all of these bruises from there. I just kept wiping out. I didn't even stand. Like, I hadn't gone surfing in 7 months. It's one of those things, like, if you don't go.
Since New Zealand.
Since Mexico. Because I went to Mexico in December, yeah. And I went with Ben Bennett.
Right,
Yeah.
the Christmas one.
Yeah, so that was the last time. But there's a beach called Sunset Beach, which is connected to Malibu. They have really small waves, and you're always touching the ground.
Okay, that's fine.
Yeah.
That's fine.
Yeah, El Porto, like, I wiped out so much, but I love the culture. Like, everyone was so nice. There were two people who just, like, they were like, you just have to do it. Like, or like, practice this, and they were just, like, giving me tips. Yeah, like, super helpful.
That sounds fun.
So I really like surf culture, and I want to be, like, part of that community.
What was the drama at the dog park? So LA.
There's, like, I know, it's very LA. Well, it was also, like, there was, like, racial tension, because it was, like, a white couple with their golden retriever.
I thought maybe it was a white dog and a black dog, and I'm like, I don't think it's this.
No, but then the other couple was like a black couple,
Yeah.
but they're pit bull. And there was a golden retriever. And I was on the small dog
aggressive
part.
dog.
Yeah. And then
This wholesome dog.
Well, it was like a whole thing where it, like, I don't know what happened. And I'm like, they're just playing. Like, there was like nothing happened. Because the golden retriever was on the floor. And so the couple, you know, they picked him up, they took him outside, and then they brought him back. And he was like, you need to leave. You and your dog need to leave this park right now. Right? And then
How does that work?
Like, there's no blood. Like, there's no, they were playing. There's like, they're just dogs. Like, the black woman said, if my dog wanted to kill your dog, like, I couldn't stop him. And then the other lady was like, is that the threat? And I'm like, no, I'm just saying that, like, my dog, like, he wouldn't have stopped. And so it was like this big drama, and both of them got kicked out.
I do appreciate that as a real threat.
If my dog wanted to kill your dog, there's nothing I can do.
That's a lot to say.
Yeah.
But you just meant like
that she obviously didn't want to kill the dog.
Yeah.
Because, like,
It's a
he
pit
didn't
bull.
go- Yeah, exactly. He, like, didn't go for it.
it's
you
very
know?
much like
Yeah.
if my dog wanted your dog dead, your dog would be dead.
Yeah,
So don't
exactly.
worry about it.
Yeah, exactly.
Wow.
Yeah.
I'm trying to explore that thought of like there is no guarantees, and like wondering how that links to like manifestation.
And I think
Like,
I want. Oh my god, it feels so good. Oh. It feels so good, Carla. Wow. This is the only satisfaction I've known. This is the only satisfaction I've known is putting these pieces into this puzzle. Well, I was just gonna say, like, I wonder if that's me, like that's a coping mechanism. Because I do think that's true, but I'm wondering if that's me, that's a coping mechanism for myself, to, like, not get too excited or too, like, invested in something, because it's like,
yes.
you never know what could happen.
Yes. Probably, yeah.
Oh, this is tantalizing. Because the colors are matching up, but it's not fitting. But I'm like, there's nowhere else for you to go, baby. So it's gotta be here somewhere.
Yeah, exactly. Yes.
Where are you? Ooh, she teasing me. This one is teasing me. She like, I'm not gonna reveal myself to you just yet, girl. You don't have to work for me. I'm like, okay, I'll work for you. I will work for you.
Work it, baby. Work it.
Ooh, yes, yes, yes. Didn't see that one coming. Woo! Wow, I want to stop. Isn't that a thing you did where you were like, we're getting too close to the end? And so you just be like, I'm gonna stop. Just to make this last a little longer. Oh, wow. Girl, look how many few pieces I have left.
Oh, wow.
Oh my, I'm so emotional. I'm so emotional. Wow, I have so many feelings right now. My eyes are watering up. Oh, we can create things. Okay.
Wow.
I'm gonna stop recording.
Beautiful moment.
Carlita, it's happening. We are at our final 5 pieces. I'm so overwhelmed. I ended up putting in the piece that I was gonna save into the end. I just put it in. So now, oh my gosh, oh my goodness. That was that one right there. We literally have 4 pieces left to finish this puzzle, girl. This is wild. This is so wild. We've been through so much. Is that it? Oh, girl, we're down to 3. Wow, this is it, girl. This is it, girl. Oh my gosh, girl, it's just 1 piece left. This is it. Yo. I did it. Look at it. I made it. Wow. Aslan.